It is so annoying when our plants are growing so well and one day something chews it up. Some of these pests can be caught on camera, but the tiny ones are the tricky ones to find. So here is one tip that you can use when the pest is camouflaging so well. Whichever part got eaten away on your plant, look right under it and around it. You're looking for something round, like these green balls-like things. These are droppings of the pest. Yeah, now we are poop detectives. Wherever you find a lot of it and the one that is brighter in color, look right above it. The culprit is somewhere nearby, probably hiding on the underside of a leaf, or in this case, pretending to be a stick. Here we have these looping worm eating away our celery. The poop detection technique has helped us many times to find the difficult to see pests. We hope it will be helpful for you as well. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching.